A few days ago, video footage emerged of the Ukrainian Army using the Oerlikon Revolver Gun Mk3 anti-aircraft gun in field exercises with airburst ammunition and tungsten submunitions. This is one of the significant contributions. In equipping the Ukrainian Army with advanced systems, these systems can play an increasingly strategic role in modern conflicts, thus being able to overcome contemporary air threats, especially to counter various drones and missiles from the enemy. In this case, where in the Ukrainian conflict, currently unmanned aircraft have been widely used by both sides. Therefore, the integration of the Oerlikon Mk3 revolver provides a technological response, which is adapted to the challenges of the modern battlefield. Oerlikon Revolver Gun Mk3. This is a 35mm anti-aircraft weapon equipped with a tracking radar and an electro-optical sensor unit that can work to find, track, and attack targets with high precision. The design system can be controlled remotely to respond quickly and accurately to air threats. One of the main features of this system is integrated with the Oerlikon Ahead programmable air blast munition. The projectile is optimized to be able to destroy various enemy weapons that enter the territory. As you can see, when the bullet explodes before it collides and disperses the tungsten submunitions, it creates a cloud of fragments that can neutralize targets in the air with great effectiveness. This feature provides precise targeting and is effective against small targets in the air that are often difficult to intercept. When the Oerlikon Mk3 rifle is fired, it has an effective combat range of up to 4 kilometers and has a nominal rate of fire of up to 1,000 rounds per minute. Meanwhile, its tracking range equipped with instruments is reported to reach 30 kilometers, and its integrated search radar can extend the range up to 50 kilometers. As for the Oerlikon Mk3 revolver, it can work effectively in low-light conditions due to the integrated electro-optical sensor unit, which includes HD and infrared color cameras. This setup allows for identification and tracking of visual targets, even in challenging visibility scenarios. In addition, a unique feature of this weapon is its ability to process target data from 3D or 2D search radars and high-level control systems, which makes it possible to operate autonomously. Advanced radar capabilities, making this system even more efficient to detect and attack multiple targets simultaneously regardless of lighting conditions. Of course, this combination ensures reliable operation both at night and in bad weather, making it suitable for continuous air defense operations. This kind of weaponry is very suitable for the Ukrainian Army because the use of the Oerlikon Mk3 system is part of the multi-layered shield strategy, which combines different types of defenses to intercept various incoming threats from different heights and ranges. However, this approach not only protects ground forces as well as strategic infrastructure, but can also reduce civilian casualties quickly in response to attacks from enemies that penetrate defense lines. As we know, the exact number of Oerlikon Revolver Gun Mk3 systems delivered to Ukraine has not been officially confirmed. The weapons transferred to Ukraine by Switzerland via Rheinmetall Air Defense. It is a subsidiary of Rheinmetall AG, known as a specialist in the manufacture of advanced air defense systems. So far, Switzerland has maintained a strict neutrality policy, and some of these systems are supplied under re-export agreements, involving third countries including Germany, so that Ukraine can benefit from advanced technology to improve its air defenses. It should be noted, since the start of the Russian invasion 2 years ago, in this regard, Germany and Ukraine have developed strengthened military cooperation, characterized by the delivery of equipment, military training, and strategic support. The Germans were initially cautious, but they have gradually increased their support, supplying other important weaponry, such as Gepard anti-aircraft guns, Leopard 2 tanks, and the Iris-T air defense system. Through bilateral agreements and coordination with NATO partners, Germany has contributed to strategic discussions, of course, aimed at aligning Ukraine's defense needs with available capabilities. Therefore, this continued commitment will strengthen Ukraine's defense capacity in the face of the enemy. Thanks to the role of Germany, we can now say that the country is a major player in European security.